some funny noises for about 6 months, and I haven't been able to figure out. I've been fixing cars for over 15 years, and it was weird. It sounded like a wheel bearing. It like hummed when I turned. There's like screechy noises when I hit the gas. At first I thought it was a wheel bearing. I thought it might be the CV axles, the differentials, but I think it's the transfer case. The whole body shakes now. The whole car shakes. It's about ready to break. I just got ordered a new one. They got the tags right here that say what type to get. This is a 249, made in Syracuse, New York. I worked with a guy who built these back when I worked at Chrysler. He's a cool dude. He's my union steward. But anyway, I got a new one coming from eBay, $350. So, all right.